Have you ever looked at a Power BI report and wondered when it was last refreshed? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the last refresh date to your Power BI report. Let's open Power Query. We go to New Source, Blank Query, Advanced Editor. We delete the code that is there, and we paste in this new code. And you can find this code in the video description. We click Done. Now we have the last refresh date, time, date, and time, each in their separate column. Let's rename this. And close and apply. Now we can drag and drop the field that we need onto the canvas. And of course, we can format this as well in the ribbon. And that's how we add the last refresh date to our Power BI report. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.